Hello, good morning. This is KG. For today's video is I got a package again from another store and let's see what's inside. So let's do unpacking, guys. This is from Suki Essentials, so bubuksan natin, guys. So ito yung pinaka-trending ngayon online, the Suki Skin Essential UV Defense Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++ high sun protection. So naka-promo siya, guys, na buy one take one na 100 grams na siya. Tapos may kasama siyang free collagen night firming soothing mask. May pa-freebies na siya, guys, na Dewy Rose Body Lotion and the whitening blemish serum with hyaluronic acid. It is worth 75 pesos, guys. May kasama din siyang Kojic Cloud Soap with niacinamide. Ito, guys, ito yung Suki Skin Essential Kojic Soap nila. So for 245 pesos, mayroon ka ng dalawang sunscreen, mayroon ka pang free na collagen night firming soothing mask, and dalawang pouch ng free sample product nila, and the Kojic Cloud Soap with niacinamide. So itatry natin yung sunscreen nila kasi it's really trending online right now. Bukod sa mura na, this is lightweight and invisible moisturizing and whitening protects the skin from the UV rays. And ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat kasi 50 SPF na siya and then very lightweight and mayroon siyang instant whitening effect and waterproof na dun siya. Na kahit mabasa ka man sa dagat or papawisan ka, hindi matatanggal yung product sa skin mo. So itatry natin sa skin natin, guys. Wala pa akong nilagay dito sa skin ko, so lalagyan ko muna siya. Konti lang muna ilalagay natin kasi mayroon siyang instant whitening effect and baka masyadong maputi siya pag dadamihan natin. So as you can see, guys, mayroon siyang instant whitening effect compare mo sa kabilang arms ko, 'di ba? And ito yung pinaka gusto ko, guys, kasi hindi siya natatanggal kahit nagpapawis ka na. Andun pa din yung whitening effect niya, guys. So see the difference. And napakamura niya, guys, for only 245 na 100 grams na yung makukuha mo, dalawa pa, 'di ba? And ang rami pa mga freebies na kasama. So sulit na sulit yung 245 pesos mo, guys. As you can see, ang puti ng kamay ko na nilagyan ko ng sunblock compare sa kabilang kamay ko. So, very legit talaga siya, guys, na mayroon siyang instant whitening effect. So, if you wanna order this sunscreen, kasama na itong mga freebies nila, just check the yellow basket below. Pero bago ako pupunta ng gym, guys, ipapantay muna natin yung paglalagay ko ng sunblock sa kabilang kamay ko para pantay na yung kaputian ko, guys. So this is one of my favorite sunscreen na ngayon, guys, kasi mura na siya, very affordable and high quality product. So bubuksan din natin tong collagen night firming soothing mask nila, guys. This is to moisturize and tighten and minimize the pores. Nakatry na ako ng soothing mask before, guys, that is Chinese products, and eto mayroon siyang 20 bags inside, 4 ml per sachet. And I don't know how much is this kasi free lang siya kasama sa sunscreen na binili ko. Ito yung laman niya, guys. Gagamitin mo to bago ka matulog. So one sachet is for your whole face. Gustong gusto ko tong collagen night firming soothing mask, guys. Kagaya na nabili ko before. Pero this time, etong sa Suki Skin Essentials yung gagamitin natin. So ito yung gel niya, guys. So I put some BB cream on my face. So pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya inside. And you're gonna put this in your face bago ka matulog after you wash your face, guys. So kasama na to sa night skin regimen ko. Itong Dewy Rose Body Lotion nila, guys, na parang perfume lotion. At itong whitening blemish serum with hyaluronic acid. At itong Kojic Cloud Soap with niacinamide nila. At itong lahat-lahat, guys, if you wanna order this one, just check the yellow basket below. So see you guys again next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.